Phone overheating while gaming, charging, and on FaceTime, it slows down performance, impacts battery life and charge, and damages your phone's internal components. Introducing KooKit, a super phone booster that combines a MagSafe wireless charger and a phone cooler for iPhone and more. It ices down temperature of your phone while keeping it wirelessly charged. It combines an induction coil, a freezer chip, a turbofan, and an RGB halo light strip for a game-changing experience day in and day out. It freezes and cools your phone within a few minutes and makes it run smoother. Gear up with KooKit to get the longest-lasting, optimized fun out of your phone. Just plug KooKit to a Type-C charger to activate. It is so lightweight and whisper quiet that you can voice chat, stream, and play games without noticing it in operation. Its removable clamps give a constant and firm grip to any phone sized from 5.8 to 6.7 inches. It works on 3 different modes on a flip switch. Not just feels cool, it also looks cool. It is well crafted and super portable. KooKit. Gear up, game on!